So reversing a string is like the quintessential first algorithm question that pretty much everybody does as their first algo question. The way that most people do it in JavaScript when they first start is they take the string, they split it into an array, they reverse that array just using .reverse, and then they join it back together. This works fine, but I think it's a little bit of a missed opportunity for learning about pointers, which can become a little bit more useful when you get into harder questions. So I have this function here, which does pretty much the exact same thing. It just reverses a string, only instead of using .reverse, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the string into an array the same way I normally would. I'm going to define 2 pointers. So the first one is at the first index of the array, the next one's at the last index of the array. And then essentially this piece of code here is just going to like increment and decrement those pointers, and at the same time it's going to swap the left and right characters with each other, and eventually you're going to have a reverse string, which looks something like this. This is kind of a little diagram of how this works. So same thing, you have a string like this, split it into an array, left pointer, right pointer, swap them, increment and decrement those pointers. So now the left pointer's here, right pointer's here, move them in, keep going, and then eventually you're going to end up with a completely reverse string like this.